So today we will be learning how to apply a function on a set of data that contain a transition. So it's often very convenient to be able to apply a certain function that would be a set of operation on a curve, and it's convenient to do that for multiple files simultaneously. For this example here, I'm just going to be loading one file, and you will understand what I'm talking about if I just display here this curve here. You see, this is a curve where I have some transition on my curve. So there is some linear portions and there is some transition between linear portion. So if I were to zoom, let's say, on this part here, on this transition that is here. So what we can do then is say I want to have a linear fit on the bottom part here, a linear fit on the upper part here, and we should then be able to apply what we call a LeverRule between the two linear domain and this transition here happening in between. So to do that, for instance, we're just gonna need to give 4 values. The first 2 values will be corresponding for the first linear fit. So we want to do a linear fit between, let's say, 250 and 394. And the second one would be, let's just make our life easy. Let's say 250 to 400 for this this line on the bottom part, and for the upper part we will say from 700 to let's say 800. So to do this, we're gonna do the section function and choose here LeverRule upon cooling for this example, and we have said 350 to 400 and then 700 to 800. So once we have set this parameter, we can simply just calculate it. And so here you see that we have transformed this curve, that we're showing this transition into a new curve now, which has a transition from 0 to 1. So that's what we call applying a LeverRule on such type of curve which contain transition. Okay, so using the function here, there will be different functions that will be introduced gradually. Right today we have introduced this function called lever cooling. It's cool because it's upon cooling. We have heating part here and cooling part here. So you can understand right away that if you wanted to apply a LeverRule on this transition here, you would simply have to select this function here and adjust the values here. So that's it for this videos on the application on the LeverRule.